Hi, welcome. Today I'm going to teach you a interesting thing, and that thing is known as design table. So for that, let's start it quickly. New part. Okay. So I will let you know why this design table is used in this designing software, and it is an interesting part, plus it is an important part of the subject. If you are going to become a designer in future, then definitely it will help you. So starting from front plane, I generally start from front plane normal. Okay, and we'll make some sketch. Let's make this sketch in line with the origin. Say this big, and here say okay, and with the hole on the left, let it be, the hole can be of any size, that's okay. This is just to understand what I'm making. I've made a part, and on this part, let's say I'll make something. Let me open this normal, and let me sketch something, a rectangle pillar from here. Okay, and it will be, say, back extruded. Okay, no problem. Close, but this sketch goes inside this boss, so I don't want this. So control Z. Okay, back. Now new sketch. Okay, and then a rectangle on this face like this, and extrude it, say 70. Okay, and one more thing, go to sketch, again a new sketch, and then we'll make a triangle on this face. Okay, and then features, extrude cut, this direction, cut extrude, one open contour. Okay, I got you. This is open, so this should be trimmed. Close this thing, go to trim, and trim this. Now it's okay. Now go to features, cut extrude, yes, cut. So this sketch is this one, okay, and this sketch contains this circle. Okay, keep in mind, the first boss extrude contains the circle, the second one is the yes, the second one is the I will rename it, and I will show you how to rename this. Double click slowly, and then you can rename it rectangle extrude ext. Okay, this is cut extrude. So what you do is left click and one more left click after a period of 3 seconds. This is triangle, cut extrude. Okay, purposely I'm changing the names in order to make you understand. This is the complete part. So I'll rename it as part, enter. Okay, so there are three things in this: edit feature, and this is 10. I'll make it 40. Yes. Okay, so this is 40, this is less, a bit less. That's okay. Now I'll show you how to make the design table. In this, now go to insert, tables, design table. Over here, left click. Left click, it shows left on the left hand side the design table and shows some options. It is already on auto create. That's what we need. And allow model to edit the update the design table. Yes, this is what we need. Okay, now make it okay. When you make it okay, look what happens. It is calculating something, and now in this dialog box you can see dimensions. Please select from the following dimensions to add to this new design table. Okay, so automatically few things are being generated. We need to select these things. When we make it okay, it will reflect on this Excel sheet. Okay, so what you see over here is, first is D1 sketch, D2 sketch, D1 part, rectangular extrude, triangle cut extrude. This is what we renamed. If you remember, the rectangular extrude, the rectangular part over here, the triangle cut over here, D1 part, the complete part, and there are two sketches in it. So what I require is three things: 1, control 2, control 3. I'll make it okay. Done. So three things are now represented on the table. What we'll do is, I'll show you. First of all, what it represents, you need to know. Make it big for you. Yes. A little bit big. It represents three things. This is default D1 part. So there are three features. The first whole part, the second one will be rectangular extrude, third is triangle cut extrude. What it shows the D1 part with 40 is the thickness of the part which we changed. This will be the thickness. 70 is the rectangular extrude, so the height, complete height will be 70, and the third will be the depth of the triangle. So there are three things. Now when I clicked here in the workspace, so the table went away. For the table, if you want the table back, what you need to do, you need to go to this configuration manager, left click, you'll see something, tables. So open this thing. Yes, you'll see a design table, right click, edit table. The table comes back. Look. Okay, make it okay, don't do anything. Now we are going to change some things and see what happens with the part. We'll make it like this, in this way. 1, enter 2, enter 3. Okay, three things. And now I will randomly change some few numbers. Like if it is 40, I'll make it say 20. I'll make 5, and then again let's say 30. This is 70, the rectangle, I'll make it 20, I'll make it 50 and 10. And this is D1 triangular cut is 70, I'll make it say 10, and then 20, or let's say 50, let's say 5. Okay, when this thing is done, I'll click over here, anywhere in the workspace, left click. Now look, the design table generated the following configurations: 1, 2, 3. Okay, the three things are generated over here now in the configurations manager. We'll start with the first one. This is the default part we selected. Now look how the part changes. double click on the one. Look, as per our notations, as per our look, this has been changed, this is being changed. Now we'll go to second. Look, the complete design is changed with numbers, so no need to do again and again. Look, the third one now. Very good, very good. So this has been changed. So I will tell you now why this thing is used. Right click, edit table. For example, if you are making a part, okay, if you are making a part and in a part there are many features, and if you are working somewhere and if you want to show your boss whether which design actually works, and if it's an aesthetic product, then definitely it will help you. For example, if this is an aesthetic product, so how big the extrude cut, or how deep the extrude, or how long the rectangle should be. So in first case it was 40 70 70, but in second case, this is the second case, which is first case for us. So after default, the first case which we selected was 20 20 10. So in 20 20 10, what was the thing? So in first case 20 20 10, okay, so I will go back, and here this is the first case. So this is 20, the height is 20, this is 20, and this is 10. So according to this table, it has been changed. So you really need this thing. For example, if your boss says make 10 different designs and show me, so you can just vary few constraints, you can select from the constraints, and then you can really show, okay, first design is this, second is this, third is this. Now you select which is the best, rather than making 3 different designs again and again, then copying the part and then again editing the part and then saving 3 different files. So this is a lot of work which you are doing. So to avoid this kind of work, this design table proves to be very efficient in it. And one more thing, like if this software is connected to this Excel, because this is connected to Excel, you can do various things, like you can make another table over here, you can apply formulas to it. Once formulas applies, the first default column applies to the formula, and then again, you know, through that formula it is being reflected to 1 2 3, and this becomes auto generated. You know, you can do various things in this, and again and again you can change your designs and see whether your designs work or not. So this is the thing. So but keep in mind, this was a simple part, okay, this was a simple part with few features, like one feature over here, two feature, third feature. You can also edit sketch in this, like when you're giving some dimensions to this circle, if you want 10 as a diameter or 5 as a diameter, yes, you can vary this thing also. You can also vary the distances, like how far the circle is from the center. So this is the distance. You need to go to sketch, edit sketch, and then give a distance. When you give a distance, initially it will show the update table. Again, I will show you the update table. I will delete this, okay, for you. Table, I want to delete this. Yes, I have deleted. Now let's see whether again it works or not. Insert tables, design table, okay. When you click design table and make it okay, you will see many things. Look, this is the design table which I have created earlier, so it shows the same design table which I don't want, but I have selected 3 constraints in it. I never selected the sketch. If you want to select sketch, you can select the sketch. Being a small part, less number of constraints are there, but if it was a big part, then you need to select it wisely. So this was everything about the design table. Thank you.